Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain also has pretty much nearly completed its correction. Maybe it is already complete. I cannot rule this out, and I also cannot rule out that we still go lower once more, but it's all about probabilities. And VeChain did get into this target area here, yeah, in yellow. It then went slightly below that, but I warned you about that before it happened. And let's take a look at this shorter time frame Elliott wave count. Let's take a look at a few of the indicators, what they suggest with what is going on here with VeChain. So VeChain, currently I have to tell you, something now needs to happen urgently here, yeah, where we had a bit of a recovery on various coins, but VeChain is still hovering down here. So for VeChain, I would actually at the moment though primarily believe that we will go once more lower. Now there is a slight chance that the low is already in, because we can count, as I said to you in previous videos, we can already count a 5-wave move complete. However, what has come up here is still, it's not too convincing yet. Yeah, I would see, I mean, if you see that wave 4 peak here, yeah, my view is that in any impulse to the upside now, I would at least want to see that level broken. Yeah, also from a general TA point of view, you would want to see that VeChain breaks out of this channel. We have a clearly defined channel here. You can see the dotted line down here, a dotted line up there, and then you've got a smaller element as well to cover the wicks off. So this can be used at the moment for trading, for swing trading. Absolutely. You've got a resistance area here between 2.5 cents or 2.47 and 2.56, and down here support roughly between 2.2 and 2.15 cents. Yeah, so this is sort of an area. I mean, maybe you can even move that down a bit, but it's, you know, you're looking for the areas where most likely you would find next support, and these are the ones that I've got here. Certainly be on alert, you know, that you could be trading up and down here at the moment a bit. Yeah, so unless this is breaking out, but at the moment this still looks very much like a bear flag as well. Yes, it made a lower low here in this wave 5 down, but at the moment it is still very much possible that the wave 5 isn't complete, and that we are still here currently working either on the wave 4, yeah, that is the possibility, or that we have done the wave 4, but that within this 5th wave we are really only in a 1, a 2, yeah, and we had a significant reaction to that level, in a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down. Yeah, this is something that is still very possible at this stage in time. Only down here then we would complete the 5th wave in white. Absolutely possible. Now this is the bearish wave count. In this bearish wave count, we would now suggest actually that the wave here would come down quite significantly, and this would then be a wave 3 in which we currently are, and that would have to come down in quite a significant way. Yeah, and I believe we would then have to go below the low of the wave 1. We would have to go below the 2 cent level, and that would be quite bearish. Yeah, and we will find that out very soon if this really is that wave count, and if we really are not finished with the correction, because then it will crash down here at some point in the very near future, possibly in the next few days. Yeah, but the bullish count would obviously be that we have already done the wave 5 here, which is also possible because the wave 5 down here can be counted as an impulse. Okay, so it is possible as well. But in that case, what would need to happen next? You would then count it in a way like, you know, obviously we need to break that resistance. That is significant. That is what I told you just now. So here we need to move up in a 1, then a 2 down, a 3 is then coming up, a 4 down, and a 5 up. And if that is the case, I would want to see confirmation above that wave 4 high. Then I would consider this with more probability. Yeah, we need to break this level at 2.56 cents. So VeChain really needs to do something. It is far away from any level where I'd be comfortable saying the low is in. Yeah, we haven't even come back into this target area here. That was the area between the 88.7 and the 78.6% fib levels, where I told you already in November, December that we are going to see this area. But we have even broken below that, so I wasn't even bearish enough half a year ago, and we haven't even got back into it. Yeah, so, you know, this sort of very first indicator that the overall correction is over would be a move above that 2.56 cent level. But even better and more important, more relevant would be a move above that wave 4 high, which was here at 3.3 cents. And yeah, that is what we're waiting for here at the moment. All right, and that is my view about VeChain at the moment. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. At the moment, I'm trialing for all channel members for 1 month for free a signals group. Yeah, so if you become channel member, silver or gold member, then in addition to that, you will get for the for a month now the short-term signals group for free. That will at some point cost something, but I'll test it at the moment for free. And if you join as a channel member, you can get that for free for a month. All right, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.